Alright guys, let me show you what it's like to drive a Z4M. Let's go. Today we are going for a drive in a BMW Z4M. This thing is absolutely insane. I have a feeling it's gonna be my favorite car that I've ever driven. We've got upgraded front lip. We've got big Stop Tech brake rotors. We've got Pilot Sport 4S tires on there. We've got carbon fiber roof, massive carbon fiber APR rear wing, massive rear diffuser. I don't know if the stock is upgraded or not. This thing is insane. Let's take a pop underneath the hood. There we go. Got upgraded S54 engine, carbon fiber intake, looks like an upgraded strut bar, as well as the catless headers, and it has a tune. Whew. I'm excited. Let's go for a drive. This is my friend's car, so if you guys want to follow him on Instagram, Damon Blitz. Red interior. I've never been in a Z4M, and I already love it. No back seats, a little bit of storage there, DVD player. I'm excited. Oh, how cool is that? It just pops up for the onboard computer. Let's get the seatbelt on. All right, like it's got carbon leather, carbon patterned leather on the inside here. E-brakes in the center. The leather comes down here. Just tiny little shifter, very short shifter. So I've had the car warming up for a couple minutes. We're gonna go for a quick test drive in this car, go on the highway, see how she feels. It is lowered. We got coilovers. First time for me driving a car with an S54. I am very excited. Oh my gosh. All right, it's very low, so we gotta take it easy getting out of here. I want to go left here. We're gonna take our time, find the right spot. All right, we are good to go. Oh my God, this thing sounds amazing. The shifter is so short, so perfect. It has to be an upgraded exhaust. Woo! Oh my God. Let's just roll down the windows here. Gotta listen for it. Oh my gosh, revs up so easy, so aggressive. 152,000 kilometers on it. This car is amazing. Wait, we are not even in sport mode? What? There's a sport button? What does the sport button do? Did it get louder? Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This car is absolutely incredible. This is a 2006. This is what the Z4M was like back in 2006. I love how as the car warms up, the shift points drop off. You can go a little bit higher into the RPMs, a little bit higher into the RPMs. All right, we're almost at the highway. This clutch feels so good. The shifter is so good. Woo. little bit different from my manual. A little bit more aggressive, I think. Alright guys, let me show you what it's like to drive a Z4M. The windows up here for some highway driving. Gets up to speed so easily. It's a 6-speed manual. The shifts are so tight. There's no clutch delay valve. Gosh, this is amazing. Fourth gear. Brakes are nice. They're not super sharp and aggressive like I thought they'd be with StopTech, but StopTech's just good for heat. They're a consistent feel. Let's go to third gear. It's just the power, it hits. It doesn't, there's like a initial hit. It's like, I'm in fourth, and it's like, when I go down, it's just like right there, ready to grab. Individual throttle body's opening up. Second gear is so snappy. the best part to drive. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's go. The last part, man. What was that, bro? Jesus. This car is incredible. This car is absolutely incredible. If you're thinking of it, get yourself a 2006 Z4M with an S54. This has got to be one of the best cars BMW's ever made. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of what it's like to drive BMW Z4M. If you guys did, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next video.